Hi, welcome to Concept Arena. In this video, we'll discuss about another clarification issued by CBIC. So, the circular number is 103/22/2019, dated 28 June 2019. So, basically, इस circular में क्या clarification issue हुआ है? That is the supply of services of cutting and polishing the diamonds. Okay, so the issue was determination of place of supply. So what was the subject matter? The subject matter was the supply of various services on unpolished diamonds such as cutting and polishing activity which have been temporarily imported into India and are not put to any use in India. Okay, तो diagram से इसको समझते हैं. So here we have a foreign recipient. He is exporting some of the unpolished diamonds, or you can say from the point of view of supplier importing unpolished diamonds, and the supplier is based in Surat. For example, as you all know that Surat is the largest polishing industry in the world. Okay, so in the world, I'm not mistaken by saying in the world, because you all know that the largest industry of polishing diamonds is in Surat, world's largest. Okay, so here we have a supplier who is doing polishing and cutting of diamonds. So he has imported and he is supplying service of cutting and polishing and giving diamond back to the foreign recipient. So here issue was, what will the place of supply? What will be place of supply? So the clarification has come by the have been given by the CBIC that goods are temporarily imported. The goods are imported temporarily and for treatment or process and are not put to any use. Okay, so this is a exception in section 13(3)(a), and which says that if there is exception under section 13(3), it will be decided as per section 13(2), that is residuary category. Residuary category, that will be location of recipient. Okay, so the place of supply will be what? Location of the recipient. So this is a very easy or basic clarification issued by CBIC. So मेनली यहाँ पे क्या इशू था कि 13(3) सबसेक्शन ए के हिसाब से प्लेस ऑफ सप्लाई डिसाइड होगा, दैट इज़ द गुड्स परफॉर्मेंस बेस्ड कैटेगरी, और एज पर सेक्शन 13 सबसेक्शन 2, that is the location of recipient. So CBIC has very well clarified that the place of supply will be location of recipient. Okay, so this is the end of the video. Thank you.